Hi, my name is Jathan Rahim. I'm a student at Marygrove, and this month's Expect Respect theme is anti-bullying. Bullying is trash it because people who get bullied, they don't find it funny at all, but the people around you could find it funny. And it doesn't really have a good impact on the environment or the people around you.
Hi, my name is Amin, and this month's Expect Respect theme is anti-bullying. I believe that bullying is very wrong because I experienced it through my younger age, which was in the elementary school. Because of my name, I was bullied because of my name, and it was very trash, but I got over it. It's very wrong because it's just not very cool. It's not cool to be bullying somebody. It doesn't make you strong. It doesn't make you like be cool. So I expect everybody to be one as in unison and be a family and love each other.
Hi, my name is Star Russell, and I'm a student at the School of Marygrove. This month's Expect Respect theme is anti-bullying. Anti-bullying sucks for many reasons. Well, bullying sucks for many reasons because, for one, it's a cause in suicide because a lot of people actually kill themselves because other people are making fun of them. Yes, it can be a joke to some, but some people actually take that serious, and some people take that to the heart. I used to get bullied. No, I didn't take that as serious as other people would, but it makes people question themselves, and it makes people put on an act for others and makes them think that, oh, I should put on a front for other people and I should make myself look like this. When that's not really true, you should be able to be however you want to be without anybody bullying you. And it's sad in ways because people don't understand that when you make fun of someone, not everybody can take that as a kind-hearted joke. You can say, "Hey, I was just playing" later on, but in a way, they actually think they're dead serious, and they just hold on to that. And when they go home, sometimes some people can't tell their parents or whoever they're staying with how they feel. Sometimes they have to hold that in and bottle it up, and in result, sometimes it can lead to suicide, people cutting themselves, or just people having mental breakdowns and coming down with these little just outbursts out of nowhere. And it's something that I wouldn't and nobody should do because that really breaks people down, and you shouldn't want to break nobody down. You should want to build people up to higher standards and make them feel confident about themselves. You should respect others, and you should treat people how you want to be treated. You wouldn't want nobody bullying you and making fun of you because you don't have the newest name brand Jordans, or you don't have the flyest iPhone, or you don't have your hair done. You should just be like, "Hey, you look nice today." Don't matter how they look. They can be looking bummed up from the streets. You should still compliment them on something. Don't judge nobody by their appearance. Get to know them first before you decide, "I'm gonna make fun of this person and ruin their whole day." You never know, you can actually ruin their whole life just by you saying one word. And that right there is why I think bullying sucks, and that's why I think you should respect others and treat people how you want to be treated.
Hi, my name is Melvin, and I'm a student here at the school at Marygrove. And this month's Expect Respect theme is anti-bullying. And I feel like bullying is not good. Like, it's a terrible thing because when you bully people, you bring their feelings down like a lot. And that person might be already going through some things, and by you just bullying them might be the thing that puts them over the edge when you can be giving them when you can be boosting their confidence, and when you can be a friend to them and you can help them. You're bullying them and making their life even worse than what it already is.